Hey y'all, Joseph Lipper here, and I want to show you how to get color sorting working on your robot. Color sorting is really nice because it lets you pick up the stack of 4 in the corner that's all mixed up with the colors, or a stack of 2 in the middle of the field, or just a pile of rings that's mixed colors and you want to just score yours on the goal. It's also really nice for in autonomous if there is another ring where you don't expect it. It somehow gets there, your color sorting will automatically take care of that and make sure you don't score on the goal. So here's how it works. Now, quick note, I'm in VEX, so my robot's going to look a little bit different, but the concept here is still exactly the same. So let's start with, how do you not score the wrong color? How do you make sure it doesn't go on the goal? How that works is right when the ring gets to the top here, it's going to reverse the conveyor, just like this, and make sure that the ring flies over the goal and not onto the goal. Now, if you're thinking, this sounds really cool, but how would I actually code one of these? I'm not sure how the code would actually work to get this to happen. Click the link in the description below, and I will send you all the details on that, how the code works, why it works, and what you'll need to do to code this in blocks. Now, how would you implement color sorting on your robot? Well, there's two main things we want to keep in mind here. There's this sprocket and there's these sensors. This sprocket took me a long time to figure out. It's actually, the key here is that this sprocket has to be at least an 18-tooth sprocket. It could probably be bigger, but don't make it smaller than this, because otherwise the ring flips around the top too fast, and it doesn't give the ring enough time to be able to consistently flip over the top of the goal, and you'll sometimes score it by accident, unless you have really, really tuned in code. But it's a way easier if you just use a bigger sprocket here. Now, the second part is where all the programming comes in. It's with these sensors right here. We've got a distance sensor to see when there is a ring, and then an optical sensor here to see what color the ring is. First, the distance sensor checks if there is a ring, and then the optical sensor, if it sees that the ring is the wrong color, it will spin the conveyor just a little bit more, and then it will quickly reverse it when it gets to the top to make sure the ring flies over the goal and doesn't land on the goal. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click that link in the description for all the details on how to code this. And I'll see you in the next video.